Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels grow so fast, why others stay stuck at 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, or 200 subscribers for months or even years? The truth is, getting your first 1,000 subscribers can be one of the hardest parts of growing on YouTube. In fact, some YouTube channels never make it that far. Many people work so hard, upload video after video, and still don't see the growth they expected. If that sounds familiar, don't give up because I have been there before. But look at what happened after I figured out what actually works. With just 10 videos on my channel, this channel has already reached over 13,000 subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to show you the simple strategies I use to grow faster, including two YouTube features that many small creators don't even know about. Features that can make it easier for viewers to subscribe to your channel. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, you're welcome. My name is Cynthia. Now let's jump right into it. Tip number one, never buy subscribers. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is buying subscribers. You have probably seen ads that promise things like get 1,000 subscribers instantly or guaranteed YouTube subscribers. I know it can sound tempting, especially when your channel isn't growing, but buying subscribers can actually hurt your channel instead of helping it. Here is why. Most paid subscribers are either fake accounts or people who have no interest in your videos. They won't watch your videos, they won't leave comments or click the like button. Imagine having 1,000 subscribers but only getting 30 or 40 views on each new video. That sends a bad signal to YouTube algorithm because it looks like people aren't interested in your content. When your audience doesn't watch your videos, YouTube is less likely to recommend them to other people. All right? So instead of paying for fake subscribers, focus on attracting real viewers who genuinely enjoy your content. Those are the people who will keep coming back, watch your videos, and help your channel grow over the time. But if you decide to spend money promoting your channel, you can actually use YouTube's official promotion tools instead of buying fake subscribers. That way, your videos are shown as an ad to real people who are more likely to be interested in your content. Tip number two, choose one niche and stay consistent. Another mistake many new creators make is posting about everything in one channel. If you post a video about cooking today, tech review tomorrow, and then a random gaming video after that, you are making it harder for YouTube to understand who your content is for. And honestly, your audience can also get confused too. Think about it this way. A subscriber who joined because he or she loves your cooking videos may not be interested in watching your gaming videos. So your click-through rates, watch time, and average view duration all drop, thereby hurting your video's performance, regardless of the quality. But that doesn't mean you can never try something new, all right? Your niche can still be broad. For example, if your channel is about helping creators, you can create videos about YouTube growth, AI tools, video editing, because they all fit under the same topic. All right. So you can experiment within a broad niche. Don't jump completely outside it. The goal is to stay consistent so both YouTube and your audience know what to expect from your channel. Now remember, people don't just subscribe for your topic. They subscribe for you because they like your personality, your style, and how you teach. As your channel grows, you can slowly try new topics while keeping that same style. For example, you might start with YouTube growth, then later add AI tutorials or video editing. Even though the topics change, they still help the same audience, those who wants to grow on YouTube. So don't be afraid to try new things. Just make sure your new idea still makes sense for your viewers. Okay? Tip number 3, treat every viewers as new. Here is something many creators forget. About 90% of people watching your latest video have likely never seen your channel before. So if you assume they already know your style or jump into technical explanation without context, they will get confused along the line and leave immediately. So explain things in a simple way as if you are speaking to a complete beginner. The easier your videos are to understand, the more people will keep watching, and when people watch longer, YouTube notice that viewers enjoy your content and start recommending them to more people. All right? So always keep this in mind. If a beginner can understand your video, then experts will also enjoy it too. But if you speak like an expert, beginners will always click away. There are always more beginners than experts, so simplicity always wins. All right. Tip number 4, ask people to subscribe. This sounds simple, but so many creators forget to do it. When someone enjoys your video, they might mean to subscribe, but as soon as the video ends, they forgot so easily and click away. That's why you have to remind them often. Right after your intro, just say something simple like, if you're finding this video helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Keep it short and natural. Don't overdo it. Just one gentle reminder near the beginning is enough to get people to hit that subscribe button. You will be surprised how many people subscribe simply because you asked them to do so. Tip number 5, create an auto subscribe link. Now here is a feature many small creators don't use. Instead of sending people your normal YouTube channel link, you can create a special link that opens your channel with a subscribe pop-up. So when someone clicks that link, YouTube will ask them to subscribe before they can start browsing your channel. Here is how to set it up. First, open your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com. You will see this interface. Now click on Continue to Studio. This will take you to your YouTube channel dashboard. Next, go to the customization icon and click on it. Then under the Profile tab, scroll down until you find Channel URL. You will see your channel URL, which starts with https:// Copy this your channel URL. Now tap the plus icon up here to open a new tab. Search for auto subscribe link generator to create a subscribe link from your channel URL. Click on the first result and you will see this interface. Next, paste the channel URL you copied into this box, then click generate. Your new subscribe link will be generated instantly. Now, click copy link to clipboard. Go back to your YouTube studio, still under channel customization. Scroll down to the links section and click add link. In the first box, enter a title for your link. You can write something simple like subscribe or subscribe for more. Since my channel is focused on tutorials, I will write subscribe for more tutorials. Next, paste the subscribe link you generated into the URL box. Once you are done, click published to save your changes, and that's it. You can also use this same section to add your other social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even WhatsApp group link. Now to see the subscribe link we just added, go back to your YouTube channel homepage. You will see the link displayed on your channel. And if you click on the About section, you will also find the link down below. So whenever viewers click the link, YouTube will open your channel with a subscription prompt, making it easier for interested viewers to subscribe to your channel. You can also share the same subscribe link on your social media pages, WhatsApp groups, or anywhere else you promote your channel so people can easily subscribe. Simple, right? Tip number 6. Use the subscribe element in every end screen. Most people use YouTube end screen to recommend another video or playlist. That's a great idea, but you should also add the subscribe element to the end of your video. That way, it removes an extra step and makes subscribing much easier for your viewers. To do this, go back to your YouTube studio, click the content icon and open one of your videos. Now on the right hand side, scroll down to end screen and click the pencil icon. Then tap element and you will see several options including video, playlist, subscribe, channel. Now select subscribe. YouTube will add your channel profile picture to the end screen. However, you will see a message saying that at least one element must be a video or playlist. So we need to add a video or playlist before we can save the end screen. So tap on element again. I will choose video. You can select most recent upload, but for me, I will choose best for viewer because it allows YouTube to select a video from your channel that's most suitable for that particular viewer. You can also select choose specific video if you want to add a particular video of your choice. You can drag the subscribe and video elements around and place them wherever you want so they don't cover any important part of your video. Once you are done, click save and that's it. Now, this is a video where we just added the subscribe element. When viewers reach the end of your video, they can simply click your profile picture to subscribe without having to search for your channel. This is especially useful because people who watch your video all the way to the end are usually some of your most interested viewers. If they have stayed with you until the final seconds, there's a good chance they may want to see more of your content. So make it as easy as possible for them to subscribe. Tip number 7. Reply to your comments. When people take time to comment on your video, please do not ignore them. Replying to comments shows your viewers that you actually care. It builds a real community instead of just an audience. And it gives people a solid reason to come back for your next video because they know you are active and engaged. On top of that, comments are a great engagement signal for YouTube. Active discussion shows the algorithm that people are genuinely interested in your content, which helps push your video to more people. Many new YouTubers ignore comments, thinking replies don't matter, but replying comment builds a direct relationship with your audience and turns casual viewers into loyal subscribers. If possible, try to reply to comments right after publishing your video, especially during those first few hours. That's when your video is getting its initial boost, and jumping right in helps keep the conversation going. Now, here is the most important lesson in this entire video. You can have an amazing camera, you can use expensive editing software, you can design beautiful thumbnails and upload every single week. But if your video idea isn't interesting, people simply won't click to watch. The idea behind your video is the foundation of everything else. Think about it like this. Imagine opening the best coffee shop in the middle of an empty desert. It doesn't matter how great the coffee tastes. Nobody is there to buy it. Now, imagine opening an average coffee shop inside a busy airport road. Even if the coffee isn't perfect, you will have customers all day because the demand is already there. So YouTube works the exact same way. That's why top creators spend time researching ideas before they ever press record. So before you edit, ask yourself, is this a video people actually want to watch? Always focus in this order. First, a strong video idea. Secondly, a thumbnail and title that will make people to click. Then thirdly, valuable content that keeps them watching. Reaching your first 1,000 subscribers doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, patience, and a willingness to test new ideas until you figure out what your audience loves. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more growth tips and drop a comment below. How many subscribers do you have right now? And what's your biggest challenge on YouTube? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.